Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike from the MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote IT products. Today I have another amazing software product for you called BookProfitz, and this one in a nutshell is the first Amazon and eBay books affiliate site builder that creates completely automated and done for you book affiliate sites preload with millions of ebooks, books and audios in just 3 clicks. And this one is going live on the 16th of March 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And like I said, it's an amazing one where you can produce books, create books with this software and sell on Amazon Kindle and all the other digital outlets out there. Of course, this will enable you to make money online. At any point you decide to get this one in the course of this review, I suggest you use the first link below in my description area. That link will automatically bring you to my bonus page. But then, before we go into proper review of this, let me tell you who is launching this. He is called Veskuyo, and that's my friend Veskuyo, the creator of a lot of products that I have reviewed in the past. And of course, if you stick with me on this review, I'm going to take you to the very members area, which is exactly here, the software itself, and see exactly practically how it works. And I will take you also to 2 pages of bonuses that I have for you for this very review. And of course, you will be able to have access to all of these software and training courses, including amazing ebooks and training courses that you have on the second page, 10 of them, over 20 something bonuses that you have for this one. But before we go into any of those, let us exactly see what this sales page says this is going to do for you. Okay, now Koyo said that this is the world's first Amazon and eBay books affiliate site builder that creates completely automated and done for you book affiliates websites preloaded with millions of ebooks, books and audio books, including any other thing that like comic books, cartoons and all the rest of them for just one-time payment. Okay, and it takes only 3 clicks for you to do so. Now this is exactly what he is saying this product is going to do for you, and you will be able to have certain benefits as long as this one goes. He says you can start your own Amazon eBay affiliate site in just 3 clicks and create instantly and fully automated books affiliate websites filled with the latest and best-selling books with no hassles, and you can earn commissions from millions of eBay and Amazon books and automatically add 10,000 e-learning courses to your book affiliate website, and of course get instant approval for promoting books from 130 plus book categories. And you can drive hordes of free traffic from search engine giant Google, and it is basically user-friendly on Windows, Mac and mobile phones, including tablets. And you can monetize instantly with ads and get paid per click with Google Ads. And you can have also all website created of course 100% mobile friendly and SEO optimized, and you can get massive traffic to your site using traffic maker software, and it is beginner friendly because it has this ability to convert optimizing technology that that helps you automatically begin to optimize and of course convert these very materials that you are publishing. And of course, no prior tech or marketing skills is required, and then of course you will only have it for a one-time price of about $17 thereabout. Okay, when you come to this very page using that link in my description area, you click this link, it's going to take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this very amazing software where you will be able to create your ebooks that you can sell on Amazon and any of the other D2 digital outlet and a lot of other book outlets out there online. So it's a business in a box for you because the AI automatically preloads this website with books, and you'll be able to have basically millions of them according to Vers, my friend. Okay, and you'll be able to sort of use that as long as you want to make money using ebooks. And you have 3 basic steps. Log into your dashboard, which is going to be this dashboard in this case, and then you'll be able to get access to the dashboard itself. And the step 2 will be enter affiliate ID and choose the desired niche of your choice. And step 3, publish and profit. So those are the basic steps that you are going to require to get this working for you, and you will be able to have all of the books you need, over 1 million or 3 million of them according to my friend Vers Kuyo. You'll be able to have all of that, and these are some of the income proofs they are looking at here, and you'll be able to have all this at your convenience when you enter here. Amazon affiliate marketing website, make money online, and you have get affiliate marketing website built by professionals, and you'll be able to create your first affiliate website, and making passive commissions has been never this easy. Okay, so I mean, you can have access to this because we can go on and on. At the end of the day, this is what it does for you, and I think you will be able to have this set up on Fiverr, and of course any of the other marketplaces like Upwork and Freelancer, and you'll be able to actually do so and sell this very software to others. If you get the very white label license for this one, which is one of the upgrades you're going to see, you'll be able to have access to all of that. Okay, so it's a good one in my own assessments, and of course it will be left to you to make up your mind on this when you get here. But now let us exactly see what this product is going to do for you, and how you are going to apply this in your capabilities to sell books online. Now this is the dashboard. When you enter here, you go through this very link. This link will give you access to the video trainings on how you can set this up, which is very easy. And now when starting that, you can raise support with this very button. You can create a ticket for support in case you need anything from the support of the team of this launch. And here you go to book sites. When you go to book sites, you can create a book with this button. Name the book. Let's say make money online. Okay, and then you can copy the same thing and paste it here, and then you submit. Automatically it has I think there is some degree of error. You know, the thing is going live today. Definitely it's going to I think it's going to be possible eventually later in the day when the product goes live, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. Let us try it once more so that you see if it's going to help us with this one. Yeah, exactly, this is it. This is the site it has created already. The title is Make Money, and you see. So now what you do is to go to your admin panel by clicking that link. You enter your password, I guess, log in and log in. It will do the magic to produce the website that you need. You want to save, I don't want to save, and so that is exactly view all users, view all posts, view all pages. So that's what you have created as your own personal admin dashboard, and that will wonderfully take you to the very books that you are going to be able to actually do, and you can share this book that you created, millions of them, with Facebook, Twitter, on WhatsApp, Pinterest, and of course you can send it by email. And if you click this, it's going to actually show you the site that has been created, which is exactly this. You can see it's preloaded with thousands and millions of books that you will be able to sell online, on eBay, and of course on Amazon. So you have, it's very easy to actually do, because it creates the website straight and preload it with all these thousands and millions of books, which you can now embed your banner ads and of course pay-per-click ads with Google, and that will make you money online, while you also embed your affiliate banners and of course make money on Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and of course JVZoo and the rest of them. So it is one instrument that covers a lot of things, making money online as an affiliate, and of course selling books online through eBay and of course Amazon. Okay, so you have basically a very good instrument here for you to get ready to make money. Of course, today launching your own book, because it's going to preload all of that for you. So you can see that's exactly what has happened. You'll be able to see all this when you get here, and then you will see manage your book sites, which is this, and you have all that. So it's a very simple one. I will leave the video to the description of this very one in the link in my description. I will use the demo video of this so that you see exactly how it's going to help you. But for now, let me see if we can go straight to the pricing. Now look at it exactly. This is the pricing for BookProfitz. The very front end goes for $17, which is the downsell for $17, and you can use it to build completely automated book affiliate website in seconds, and it has a preload with 100,000 done for you books under 130 different book categories, and you have 5 site licenses. So this one automatically embed each book with your affiliate link, and automatically embed each book with your affiliate link, and you can create blog full of relevant content, and content is based all on the books on your own site. So that's what you have as the front end for this one, $17. And you have the unlimited version, which goes for downsell of $27, and here you get everything basically unlimited. And OTO number 2 will be the done for you, which goes for $47 per month or $197 per year, and this will give you everything done for you by the team, and you get access to done for you instant book affiliate site set up by their expert team, and you have guarantees passive income without doing any work for yourself or yourself. So that means if you buy this OTO done for you for a monthly subscription of $47, you will be able to have access to recurring payments, passive income every month. Okay, I mean this is good. And the OTO number 3 will be the traffic booster, which goes for that's $27, and you have OTO number 4 income multiplier, it goes for $17, and you have also the OTO number 5 reseller, goes for $297, and of course you have it for downsell of $197, and you have OTO number 6, the training, goes for $27 downsell. You will have all that in the sales stage when you arrive there. But for now, let us take a look at my amazing bosses for you. I'm going to go through this. The first one is Latitude, the second one is Twitex, you have Insurgency, you have Lazy Traffic Sniper. These are all software and training courses. You have a JavaScript commission bot, and you have also Lockdown Formula, and also the toolbox, which has over 1,000 digital marketing tools that you can use to create whatever you want online, and that will enable you to make money online. I have a second page of bonus, but in any case, whenever you check out on this using any of the links on the sales page when you arrive here, it is definitely going to drive you to my Warren Plus account where you buy this product. If you click this link on arrival, it will take you to my Warren Plus account where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to this button, which gives you access, of course, to BookProfitz, and here you have a link that will give you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up. And now let me show you the second page of bonus that I have for you. This is exactly what you are going to need to get acquainted with making money online. And you see, the first one will be the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, and you have the list building expert, internet marketing fast start, you have affiliate marketing secrets, and you have also 30-day to illegal email list ebook, and you have chatbot marketing mastery, you have building the perfect sales funnel, you have blogging for profits, email list building blueprint, and copywriting program. And I mean, you can't get it anywhere else. And with that, we are definitely obviously going to come to the end of this review. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the icon for notifications. I mean the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from Spain, and from me from here is goodbye.